K. Premchand. Only 2 minutes.
Please.
No, I can't help it.
Please,
Yes, you will get only 2 minutes like this.
Madam.
Please, 2 minutes.
Thank you very much.
Otherwise, 2 minutes will go like this.
No, thank you very much, madam,
You start. Only 2 minutes.
for giving me this opportunity.
Yes.
Madam, I have also given a notice for a motion censuring the Honorable Minister.
Yes.
Under Rule 184, unfortunately, it is disallowed. So my humble submission before the Honorable Speaker is kindly grant some bonus time since it is disallowed. That is my first submission. Madam Speaker.
Yes.
Madam Speaker, we are having high esteems to the Honorable Foreign Minister.
Yes.
And we appreciate the performance which she has made during the time of this time as the Foreign Minister. But in order to uphold the principles of democracy, in order to uphold the traditions and conventions of the biggest democracy in the world, my point is, in order to uphold the principles of democracy, in order to uphold the traditions and conventions of the biggest democracy in the world, I humbly demand the resignation of the Honorable Foreign Minister at the earliest. Madam, why I am speaking on this is because we are having so many precedents. I am not going to the precedents. Pavan Kumar Bansal, Shashi Tharoor, and so many persons who have rendered the resignation, Yes. So many persons. And madam, our modalist MDA chairman, Honorable L.K. Advani ji is also here. That is also can be accepted as a model. Madam, we have two replies from the Honorable Foreign Minister. Number one is written statement issued last week, and today the oral reply. Number one is written statement issued last week, and today the oral reply. Madam has challenged, the Honorable External Affairs Ministry has challenged whether there is any proof or evidence to substantiate any charge against me. Madam, I take and accept the challenge. And saying that your own statement is an evidence and proof against you. I will read, madam. I will read. That is, I have got the statement from the bulletin. That is page 89 of the bulletin.
Yes.
Madam, the first sentence, I am quoting, the first sentence of the oral message I got sent is that if the British government chooses to give travel documents to Narendra Modi, that will not spoil our bilateral relations, unquote. Madam, after this statement, what was the earlier position? What was the earlier foreign policy position in respect of Narendra Modi? If any assistance given by the UK government authorities, that will definitely adversely affect the India-UK relations. So madam, please, madam, please. It's
more than 2 minutes.
No. Then coming, I am on the statement. I'm not making any personal accusation.
I know, but still it is 2 minutes.
Yes, please, ma'am. Please. See, madam, I'm quoting the statement again. Madam, I'm quoting the statement. The UK Home Department, I'm not quoting because of the paucity of time. The UK government, the last sentence of the written statement, the UK government has assisted his ailing wife was determined in accordance with the appropriate rules. Madam, after this statement, what was the earlier foreign policy position in respect of Narendra Modi? If any assistance given by the UK government authorities, that will definitely adversely affect the India-UK relations. The UK government, the last sentence of the written statement, the UK government has assisted his ailing wife was determined in accordance with the appropriate rules. I do agree, madam. I do agree, yes. UK rules doesn't prevent in giving the travel documents to Narendra Modi. Why it is being prevented? Because the former UPA government has given a letter in writing that if you assist Mr. Narendra Modi, that will definitely affect the relationship. So, madam, my question is, suppose Dawood Ibrahim is now in Dubai or in Pakistan. My question is, his wife is ailing in Mumbai. My simple question to the Honorable Minister through you, ma'am, is whether any humanitarian ground travel documents will be provided to Dawood Ibrahim so that he can travel to India and to assist his wife. Is it proper? Whether any humanitarian ground, travel documents will be provided to Dawood Ibrahim so that he can travel to India and to assist his wife? Is it proper? So also, one more point, the last point.
Now-
Madam, by constitution, sir, Madam Constitution.
Complete.
So the second point, the Honorable Minister has lost the authority. The Honorable Minister has lost the authority to hold the office of the External Affairs Minister. She has violated the constitutional obligation of office of oath.
Yes.
Madam, Article 75, Schedule 3, what is the office of oath? I shall discharge, I am not quoting, I shall discharge my official duties without fear or favor.
Yes.
Here it is being done as a favor and without ill will or affection. Madam, the Honorable Minister has accepted in her statement that I have done because of the humanitarian consideration. Article 75, Schedule 3, I shall discharge my official duties without fear or favor and without ill will or affection. So, conflict of interest is there and violation of oath of office is there. And also, Madam, the Prime Minister is not taken into confidence in having a policy change. On all these grounds, my submission is the Honorable Minister to uphold the principles of the democratic conventions and traditions.
प्रेमचंद्रन जी ने ये कहा है कि मैंने ह्यूमैनिटेरियन ग्राउंड पर काम करके अपनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की ओथ वायोलेट की है। मैं सिर्फ इनका एक पत्र यहाँ प्रेषित करना चाहती हूँ, सिर्फ एक पत्र 2 लाइनें पढ़कर सुनाती हूँ कि ये प्रेमचंद्रन जी ने मुझे, एक व्यक्ति जो लाइफ सेंटेंस काट रहा है ओमान में, लाइफ सेंटेंस, और नहीं, और उसका जुर्म क्या है? प्लांट बर्गलरी विद मर्डर, प्लांट बर्गलरी विद मर्डर। उसके लिए लिखा है कि उसकी माँ एलिंग मदर इंतजार कर रही है। आप ह्यूमैनिटेरियन ग्राउंड पर एक मिनट रिस्पेक्टेड श्रीमती सुषमा स्वराज जी, One Mr. Madhavan Pillai is in the central jail for last 18 years. His bedridden old mother is waiting to see her son before the death. The applicant and her daughter are also eagerly waiting to see him. तो जब मैं इनके व्यक्ति के लिए ह्यूमैनिटेरियन ग्राउंड पे बात करूं तो मैं कर्तव्य परायण हूं, और जब मैं किसी कैंसर पीड़ित के लिए मदद करूं तो मैं अपराधी हूं। ये प्रेमचंद्रन जी को मैं सुनाना चाहती हूं। जिनके अपने घर शीशे के हों, उन्हें दूसरों पे पत्थर नहीं फेंकने चाहिए।
Madam, thank you very much in giving this opportunity to make that personal explanation in respect of the letter referred to by Madam Sushma ji.
Okay.
I'm not remembering the letter. Maybe correct. Yes, I do accept.
Okay.
I do accept. I am accepting, Madam. Don't be so vigilant. Yes, Madam, I do accept. I have written. Hey.
Please. No, not like this.
How soon?
When she has said something,
Madam.
I will have to.
Madam, I have. Madam Speaker, it is absolutely correct and I do admit. And I stand on it. Why? Because I have got a letter or a representation. I have written to my Foreign Affairs Minister. Not to the UAE authorities. And please, examine and do the needful. Please, Madam, have the mercy. A honorable External Affairs Minister, such a senior personality in the cabinet, making an allegation against me and equating Lalit Modi with me. It is not fair.
It is not fair.
Yes, Madam.
Whatever
Madam,
he says, I am hearing.
Suppose.
What all these things are happening?
What Madam was referring to according to my knowledge or to my memory.
Yes.
One Mr. Madhavan Pillai, he is in jail. His mother is ailing. I am writing a letter to my minister.
Correct.
My honorable Foreign Affairs Minister. My minister.
Correct.
My honorable Foreign Affairs Minister, and see whether something could be done in order to help or in order to meet the situation. And what the minister has to do, Madam, what the minister has to do. Yes. Interruption, Madam. Interruption. And what the minister has to do, the minister, yes, Madam Speaker, the minister has to examine with the External Affairs Ministry. If it is proper, it is to be done. What in the other case, what he has done?
कि ऐसा होता है इतना
Yes, yes, madam, please, 1 second. Please, ma'am. Please, hey, madam, he's, madam, the minister, please.
पत्र का देना शुरू कर
The minister is situating me with Lalit Modi, but the situation is entirely different. Here, Lalit Modi requested to the minister. And without informing the ministry, and without informing the ministry, and without informing the ministry, without informing the Prime Minister, without informing the Prime Minister, without informing the Finance Minister, without informing the mission in London, she has directed to give the travel documents.
Now we have to
So it is entirely different situation. It is entirely different situation. My point, she has to withdraw.
Now
She has to withdraw.
It's okay.
She has to withdraw.
It's okay.